What is the right amount of protein?
What studies show that for an individual, everyone, no condition, no bar, normal minimum requirement is 0.8 grams per kg of body weight.
Okay.
Suppose a person is there and he or she is not doing anything, sedentary lifestyle, sitting jobs, not doing any workout, maybe weekly they do workout. So the bare minimum requirement is 0.8 grams per kg of body weight. Suppose my weight is 60 kg. And if I multiply 60 kgs with 0.8, it is somewhat around 48 to 50 grams. So this is the requirement of protein per day.
Per day. Okay. But you saying that will vary according to what your activity level is as well.
Multiple factors are there.
Okay.
Your age, your gender, whether you are having any illness, what is your health condition, obviously weight, and activity level is very big factor, because suppose I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting whole day and eating my meals, no workout is there. So obviously my protein requirement will be very less.
Okay.
But there is a person who is very enthusiastic for his gym, he is doing muscle build up and want to lose weight, calorie deficient diet hai, that person will obviously require more of protein. Because while doing workout, breakdown भी बहुत हो रहा है,
Yeah.
right? और muscle build up के लिए protein चाहिए. Protein is the building block. So we need protein for that. Obviously, health activity matters.
Yeah. Tell me the difference between men and women. Do their needs differ?
Suppose there is a female of 60 kgs weight, and she requires a protein amount of 48 to 50 grams in a day. Same height and weight male will require a bit of more, like 5 to 10 grams more protein per day as compared to a female of same height and weight.
And is there an Ayurvedic reason behind
So
that?
more muscle is there in male body. Females generally have more fat deposit. So this thing is the reason. Not a major reason.
Okay.
Only just
And also this also changes when, the female is going through pregnancy.
Yes.
Or she's going through different cycles.
Yeah.
Then also it changes.
Yeah, if she's in pregnancy, then the amount of protein is more required. If she's lactating, obviously the protein content should be more.
So tell me more about this, because you said that automatically the diet that Ayurveda recommends, that includes, your lentils, probably millets, or, whatever grains have a good amount of protein. But in the olden days, of course, people never calculated protein calories or, whatever. They were just living a very good, healthy life, I suppose. So how did that happen? Because today people are more concerned and more stressful about protein. Is it more essential than other nutrients in a way?
It is essential, very essential, because as I said earlier, proteins are building blocks. And in our body, every day, multiple cells are dying and new cells are regenerated. So protein is a requirement. And with time, as you said earlier, people used to eat a very wholesome diet. घी होता था डाइट में, the dairy products होते थे, green leafy vegetables were there, even lentils, whole grains, millets, everything was there. But today, because of lack of cooking skills, lack of time, and people becoming very choosy, so there is very limited source of protein. And also a marketing gimmick is there that we have to sell protein. So that created a hype that we need protein, we need outside source. Though we can complete it from a kitchen only, using plant-based materials which we already eat, that is sufficient.
Fine, I got that, the people were taking proteins from different sources rather than just, making it concentrated in a protein powder or all of this. Coming back to this point, which is quite controversial, plant protein versus animal protein. What does Ayurveda say?
Ayurveda believes plant-based protein is more superior than animal-based protein, and there are multiple reasons for this. First of all, you need to know whether your body requires protein or not. Whether your body is capable to digest and metabolize that protein, whether your body is absorbing that much protein, what is your body type, what is the status of your Agni, what is your dosha type, then only you can go for protein. And then comes the question, animal-based or plant-based. So, animal-based protein comes in a scenario when you need much larger amount of protein, but it is a myth. Plant-based protein can also provide same amount of needs for your body, which we are taking from animal-based. And the reason why animal-based is not recommended, first of all, non-veg food is considered rajasic and tamasic in nature. So whenever we will consume non-veg diet, it will cause heaviness, it will cause all the negative factors in our body.
All the negative
Heaviness.
tendencies.
Yeah, negative
Like your mind
tendencies.
also
Yeah,
becomes
it
dull
works on
and lethargic.
physical health also and on mental health also. So what happens? It will cause heaviness in your abdomen. It will not get digested easily, and also it will cause bloating. It will cause laziness, lethargy, fatigue, constipation, and because of these, your mental health is also not good. Suppose your gut health is not good, so you will not be able to focus. There will be fatigue, generalized weakness. So all these things are just because you ate animal-based protein. So everyone cannot digest animal-based protein.
But you know, a lot of people will contend that constipation or bloating और ये सारे issues तो vegetarians में भी बहुत होते हैं.
Yeah.
So what is your answer to them?
वेजिटेरियंस में होते हैं, बट देर आर वेरी मच चांसेस कि आप उसको ठीक कर सकते हो. मतलब आप अपनी कुछ छोटे छोटे चेंजेस से उसको ठीक कर सकते हो, बट एनिमल वाले में चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा हैं. और एक और चीज है, एनिमल बेस्ड प्रोटीन हर प्रकृति का इंसान नहीं ले सकता है, बट प्लांट बेस्ड प्रोटीन दो इट ऑल्सो कॉजेज ब्लोटिंग एंड इंडाइजेशन, बट वी कैन करेक्ट इट यूजिंग सम हर्ब्स. You doing some small changes in your meals, we can correct it.
But you're saying if animal protein is not applicable for everyone, who is it applicable
Majorly
for?
pitta type of people, because they already have a good agni. Their
Okay.
digestive fire is good, so there are chances that they digest it well, but they need something cooling in their meals, because already high pitta is there, digestive fire is strong, and animal based protein more or less increases pitta in your body. So you need something cooling with that.
Along with it. So if
yeah,
you're boiling chicken, you need to have like coriander and more
yeah, some
cooling
herbs you
spices
should
with it.
add in that. Also, you can take coconut water regularly with that. You can use saunf, elaichi, these kind of herbs. These helps. Like you can use mint. You can drink some cooling drink after your meals. Like you can drink sattu chach type of drink. You can mix that thing. These are the things which helps. But vata type of people and kapha especially, for these two type of people, animal protein is very bad if you are taking. It is very difficult to digest. You want to achieve a result, but you are developing different disease with that result. That is not good.
Yeah.
So it is better to choose an option which will fulfill your demand, plus it will not cause any other illness.
Do you also include eggs as an animal-based protein?
Yeah.
So, because a lot of people take that as a breakfast, which is, something very, very bad for the system, as far as I understand Ayurveda. What do you say about eggs? Like if somebody has to have that animal protein, if it's a pitta body type, which has a strong digestive fire, when should they have eggs?
They can have eggs first thing only boiled, rather than you are cooking. Rather than you are cooking it in other form, you are adding oil or any other lots of spices, it's better to take boiled egg. Also, in breakfast, yes, you can take, but I won't recommend, because Ayurveda never says to eat eggs
As a breakfast item.
as a breakfast, and also as a only source of protein. You have multiple things. You can switch this.
So you would say that try it and switch to something else. What are some things that you've noticed in your patients who do take animal-based protein? What are some other issues that are separate from vegetarians?
Nowadays, what happens? Every young person is very freak, like very fitness freak. They want to go to gym every day. They want to build up muscle. And one thing that comes to mind is they need protein. And only source of protein, the majorly which is known, is animal based. And secondly is the protein powders available in the market. Both of those things are not good for your health until and unless you know your body. So if you don't know your body, you don't know the condition of your liver, you don't know about your digestion, then don't go for that. If you are going, there are some patients who unknowingly started taking protein powders or chicken on every day. Like every meal, one meal is chicken.
Wow.
So those people are developing diseases, like their liver is not tolerating all these things. Liver is getting damaged. Secondly, उनका अग्नि उस हिसाब से नहीं था.
Agni is a digestive fire.
Yeah, the digestive fire was not that much. It was low, and the food is not getting digested. It leads to formation of toxins. Ama production हो रहा है, and that again is blocking the channels. And that channel blocked अगर हो गया है, there will be no absorption. Right? If you're taking something, you're eating something, digestion के बाद उसका absorption होना जरूरी है body में. But if there is no absorption of the nutrients, then what is the need of taking that food?
So you're saying that these people come with a lot of toxins in their body,
lots of toxins, which
liver
is
issues.
liver issues with physical appearance may be dikhega, and in mental health also we can see a person who is taking plant-based protein. If we compare it to a person taking animal-based protein, there's a difference. The plant-based one will be highly energetic, active, energetic, enthusiastic, but then a person with animal-based protein is more or less very lethargic, dull. He will sound dull. He will be lazy in doing things. हर टाइम वो एक सुस्ती बनी रहना, वो एक बहुत कॉमन फैक्टर हमने देखा है.